How to create a Betika account step-by-step process. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, you can head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, tap on the search bar and search for Betika app. In the search result, you'll see the official website of betika.com. So navigate to this website. You will see this kind of web interface. Now, in order to create your Betika account, you need to tap on this register button in the top right. Now that you're in the register page, you can provide your phone number, you can set up a password and reconfirm your password in order to create your account. Once you enter all of these informations, you can tap on this register button. It will send you the verification code. Once it verifies your account, your Betika account will be successfully created. You can now use this platform easily. So that's a very easy process to create a Betika account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.